Here we've got MEIZU M8 Lite, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select language and time, and here just click on language. From the following list you just have to select the one that you would like to apply. So let me choose Spanish, and let's go back. As you can see, immediately after that the device's languages is changed to Spanish, and you can smoothly use your devices in the native language or whichever language you would set, the one that you would like to have some more practice in. Then if you would like to change it again, just go back to the language setup, pick languages and choose the language that you want to have, and I will go back to English. And as you can see, now we are back in English. It's a default language again. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.